So I really don't like these problems, and I guess the reason I don't is because there's not any numbers. There's no math involved here. And so these are really hard to teach because it's more logic. It's more just thinking about something. And so this is about causation. And if something has causation, that means that one event causes another event to happen. That's where the name causation comes from. So you really have to just read each of these and see, does it make sense that the one thing would cause the other thing? So the first one says a student's research shows that students that read nonfiction books tend to do better on math tests. So, does reading nonfiction books cause you to do better on math tests? And so, again, this is why I don't like this because what if the nonfiction books were math books? So, if you're reading math books, yes, that would help you on math tests. But they're just saying any kind of nonfiction book. So, no, if you read a book about World War II, it probably doesn't help you on a math test. So, it's not specifying what type of nonfiction book you are reading. So not A. B says there's a correlation between hair color and shoe size. So does your hair color affect your shoe size? And no, that doesn't make sense. You're changing your hair color wouldn't cause your shoe size to change. There's a correlation between the depth of water in a pond and how many days it rains. So, would the amount of rain cause the depth of the water to change? And yes, it would. So, that shows causation. A study showed a correlation between an alligator's length and its age. So, does it make sense that as an alligator ages, that causes it to grow longer? Yes, that makes sense. So, that shows causation. And then the last one, a study finds a correlation between a person's age and how long they spend on their cell phone each day. So, does your age cause you to change how much time you spend on your phone? Again, this is another one I don't like because I would imagine that younger people tend to spend more time on their phones, but your age isn't causing that. That's a choice you're making. So it's not causation. It doesn't cause it to happen. So that one is not an answer. So the more you practice these, the better you get at them. So just look for more examples about causation and hopefully you'll do better at explaining it than I will. So keep up the good work and you will master the math.